Hello traders, this is Dr. Zain Aga. I'm going to show you how to install the Forex Mongoose system. It's a very profitable system, and I'll show you once you know how to install it, it will become very easy for you to trade it. Once you buy it, you will receive a zip file. When you unzip it, you will find there are two TPL files. One is for the short term, the other one is for the long term. And then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 indicators, and there is a manual, a PDF manual explaining you how to install and how to trade. So this is what you will receive. Now I'm going to show you how to install it on your charts. This is the AUD USD 1 hour chart. We will open our zip file, and then we are going to open the data folder. This one here is the data folder, and here is the zip file. So what you do first, you go to your templates, and then you slide in Forex Mongoose template, this one, which I already have it here. Okay, and then the other one is the short term. Drag it here, which is already there, and then you go back to MQL4 and then click on indicators, and then here these are 5 indicators. You select them all together and bring them here. Now I already have them here, so I don't need them. Okay, so once you've done that, close everything and click here, right click on the chart and go to template, and then click on the long term. This is the template. Now if you want to trade on the 15 minutes, then you need to here click on the 15 minutes, and then you right click, go to the template and look at the Mongoose short term. This is the short term. So when you get the arrow, down arrow, that is giving you a confirmation to sell, and when there is an up arrow, you need to buy. Now if you want to go to the 4 hours chart, long term, 1 hour, 4 hour, then you right click on the template and go to the long term, and there you have it. Click here. Okay, so this is how you're going to install it. Now how to trade the trade. For example, this one, I will put in a line here to explain you how to trade. Let me turn it to yellow. Now as soon as you see a green line here, green histogram bar, look for the green arrow here, and then wait until you get the confirmation from a big arrow up, the blue arrow. So once you get it, you enter long, you go long, you buy. Now I have taken some trades, and I'm going to show you the trades that I have taken. Okay, here are the trades that I have taken. So this is the USD Swiss franc on the 4 hours. So when I saw the red arrow down, everything was red, and this histogram bar is also red, so I went short. And this is the USD Swiss franc, and you can see here USD Swiss franc, I am in a profit of $29. and then I have another pair which is the USD Japanese yen. So the USD Japanese yen, when I saw the arrow, I went short, and then here is the USD JPY. I am in a profit of $11.48. Then I got the signal on the USD CAD, so I got it on my mobile phone. I will show you how to set the alert on your mobile phone. So I went short here, and I am in a profit of 72 cents at the moment. So my total profit so far is $39. Now let me show you how to set your uh, alerts on your mobile, to receive your alerts on the mobile. Okay, you go to the tools first and go to options, and in the options click on notifications, and on the notifications put your place check mark enable push notifications and enable notify of trade transactions. So you put in your MetaQuote ID. So how to get the MetaQuote ID is go to your mobile phone and download the app called MetaTrader, and then you will get your ID from there, and put that ID here, and then you test. Now what you have, iPhone or Android, whatever you have, when you click on test, it will say notification was successfully queued. Look at journal for more information. So this is the journal. There it is. First you say okay, and go to the journal, and the journal says notification test message from Aga Maria Raw Trading Limited sent to this ID. Okay, so I received it on my phone. So when I received the notification to enter the market, I opened my chart. I saw there is a red arrow here, so I went short. Okay, similarly JPY, I received the notification on my mobile phone, the alert, and then I went short. And then I received on the USD Swiss franc also, so I went short. So I am trading on the long term, 4 hours, but you can trade on any time frame you like, 15 minutes or 1 hour or even 4 hours. Because I'm very busy, I don't get too much time, so I trade on the 4 hour. So far I've made this much profit. I will come back later when I find and I have made some more profits, and then I'll close my my trades. Okay, my profits are now $41, so I will pause the video and come back again later. Sorry, I cannot continue as I received a phone call from the hospital and I have to go to the hospital straight away. So I'm going to close my trades and take the profit, and then maybe see you tomorrow. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.